I think there was a bit of an improvement in terms of our defensive behavior. We were a bit unfortunate until we are in a position where now this goal decided the match. But one would say we looked much better organizationally, defensively. Like I say, there was probably one or two saves that my goalkeeper had to make afterwards, and the rest was really done well by the defenders. I believe there is a bit of an improvement. It's just that now maybe that improvement is taking a bit on our offensive play, because before we're sitting at a 2-goal ratio on average per match. But now that we have conceded one and never scored even one, it's something that's at least one thought. If we can start now maybe conceding 1 or 0, we will continue with our 2 goals for. But unfortunately now the goals that we are scoring throughout are trying out. One has to look back again into how can we balance it up. But there is no doubt, it's one area, our defense is one area that is a big concern for everyone. We do not have as many top defenders that you can really rely on. Today you try this one, you will come with his own story. Maybe the next day you try another one and it's called the own goal. That day you try somebody else. But we will get there. Obviously we cannot approach them the same way. Believe me, it will be only fair for us to win against Chiefs after losing against Supersport. I think maybe our supporters will be even happier if they can see that happening.